Hey you guys, hope you guys have had a great weekend, but I'm coming back with a little unboxing. I just got a package delivered from Fashion Nova. I ordered, they had a sale going on with up to 80% off, free shipping. So I ordered some stuff for me and my goddaughter, and I got one thing in here for one of my friends because she didn't want to order it because she only wanted one thing, so I just went ahead and ordered it for her. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. So first we have, oh, well, these are mine. I needed some more big loops. These are gold loop earrings. And I also got them in silver as well. These are the rhinestone ones, and they actually look pretty cute. You guys can see those. These actually are pretty cute. These are like a square rhinestone. But these shoes, oh, these are so soft. What I got are these shoes. And these are so cute. And the bottom of them is really hard, so you could probably wear them outside. They're really hard, but they're soft. They're really soft at the same time. They feel absolutely good. Oh my God, they feel so soft. But the quality of those shoes are actually super good. Oh, here's my receipt. And I got her some like Bermuda kind of shorts, I guess, with the rips in them. If I can get them open. So these are actually not that stretchy at all. So when you purchase these, they would need to be true to size. And here's the tag. But they're just ripped on the front side. And this is the back side of them. And they're frayed at the ends. But I thought these were a cute pair of shorts. She's in college, so hey, she'll get away with them. Perfect for her. Oh great. So they gave me a 20% off of my next purchase. And then I saw these, and I didn't know how they would actually look online, but actually they're kind of cute. It's like a peachy pink color, I guess. They're frayed, and then they have the little rips detailing on the pocket. They have a little stretch, but not a lot of stretch. These are the ones that they are. Here's the tag. It's like a tie-dye kind of a little bit, but these are cute. Oh, they're ripped on the pockets in the back too. Not like major, but just a little bit on both pockets. I got her shorts because it's getting ready to be hot here. About another month or two. So all of these shorts were actually under $10. So I went ahead and snatched them up. And she's a size 3, so she told me to get her a small. Which these might look like they might be too big. Like she needed maybe an extra small in these. Yeah, so you see the difference in these two? So this says Fashion Nova. The Fashion Nova 3 is like a size smaller than this brand right here. But this is a small also. This are just a pair of ripped jeans. And this is the brand actually where Fashion Nova gets all their jeans from, I believe. And then they just put their own branding in them. These, I guess they didn't want to put their names on these. I don't know. But these are a nice pair of jeans. It's a full pocket on the inside and everything. Oh, and then they had some pajamas. The pajamas were on sale. This one's for my friend, but these are really cute. They're the shorts with the lace on them. And it has a little pink. And the top just says Killing It. I like the material because the material is really soft. I love this material. It's really stretchy, but it's really soft. And here's the tag so you can see. But this is a cute little set. And it's Razorback. But it's a cute little set, pajama set. If you want something comfy, loungewear for the weekend, trip or vacation. That will do. So this is one of the terry cloth rompers that I saw. So this is cute. This is like a bandeau kind of top. If you want to hang it up, it has the plastic elastic on the inside straps to hang it up. Or if you want to wear them as straps, you can actually wear these as straps, I believe. And then this is not adjustable tieable. This is how it is. It does not adjust to tie it to pull the waist in, but it is elastic in here. It has somewhat of a stretch to it. It is stretchy, so if you have a big dupe, then you should be able to get into it. But I think this is cute. It's just a little romper set. And we have 2 more pajamas and a tank top. This is just a basic tank top. I think it was $2, so I just went ahead and grabbed it. Can't go wrong with too many black tank tops. Okay, so yeah, this is just a black tank top, Razorback. It has like a little stripe. It's like, if you can see the detail in it, it's like the stripes in it going down. It's not like a regular ribbed kind that you would get out of like Gap or something. So this is cute. She could rock it with something. And then the last two pajamas. So this one says, someone cares, just not me. I thought that was so cute. And it's in that material that I like. And the back of the shorts say, bye. So I thought that was cute. You guys can see it's really stretchy. They had a little girly ruffle, whatever, fringe on the bottom of the shorts. This does not go anywhere. It's elastic waist. The straps on this do adjust. These are not the perfect, because these do kind of break easily. These plastic, when they're plastic like this, that does break kind of easy sometimes. But these do adjust if you need to make it shorter or longer. But it's just a little shirt like this. And the last one I thought was adorable. This one right here. And everything that they have comes individually packed in all this plastic. I guess that's to let you know nobody else has had it on. I don't know. It's in that same kind of cotton material. This is a longer shirt. Now this gray is not a true gray. To me, it's more like a pewter kind of gray than a regular gray. Oh, I had to turn around and read it. But it says, this one says, cuddling is my favorite. Again, we got a razor back tank top. And then we have the shorts. And this one has a little lace on the bottom of the shorts as well. And I thought this was really cute. So that is all. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing to show you what just came in the mail from Fashion Nova. You can kind of see the quality in the material. This is very stretchy for the pajamas, which is good because it's not, and it's lightweight. It's very nice and lightweight. But I just picked up a couple pajamas, a couple of these earrings. But the earrings are real pretty though. Open them up and take them out. But the earrings are very pretty. These are cute. Very blingish. But they're cute. And then the other ones are just their basic loops. And everything I ordered today was under $10. I think the most expensive thing was the pajamas. They were at $10, but everything else was like $2 and $5. Well, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.